Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix cellular issue detected in iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you're facing any kind of network issue that your cellular issue detected, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to make sure that you have a no signal strength for your cellular data. So you just have to go to your settings. After checking that, go to general, go to event device management, disconnect your VPN if you're connected, then go back and go to screen time section and disable all the restrictions from the content and privacy restrictions from here. So after disabling all the restrictions, go back and here you highly recommend you have to try to make a force restart to fix minor glitches. But before restarting, you have to go to settings, go to general, go to software update, and try to update your software. After updating your software, go back and here just quickly press on this volume up, then volume down, press on the power button, and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, you just have to unlock your phone, and here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so that's the only way. Just open your settings app, go to general, and here go to transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then select reset network settings and the confirmation message pop up. It will reset all of your network settings. If there will be any issue with your iPhone network setting, it will be fixed in this step and you'll not get the issue again. So it might be it will fix your issue and you'll not get the issue again. But if your issue still persists, you have a single way. You just have to open your Apple Support app. You can easily install this app from your app store, or you can use Apple Support Web. Select iPhone from here, then select this more option, and here you just have to select cellular SIM or eSIM section or the option which you find. So in my case, I have this eSIM option, so I'm gonna select this one, and here just wait for the loading, and then select this get more help, then tap on call us. After that, you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple's support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get a real help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.